Furnace Repair Oshawa. KDM Home Gas, your ultimate solution for reliable furnace repair services for Oshawa. Is your home feeling more like an igloo than a haven of warmth? Fear not, because KDM Home Gas is here to rescue you from the clutches of the cold. With our unparalleled furnace repair services, we guarantee to bring back the cozy comfort to your living space in Oshawa. Why choose KDM Home Gas for your furnace repair needs? Prompt and punctual service. We understand the urgency of a malfunctioning furnace. That's why our team is on standby 24/7, ready to respond swiftly to your call. Your comfort is our priority, and we won't keep you waiting in the cold. Skilled and certified technicians. Our team comprises highly trained and certified technicians with years of hands-on experience in furnace repairs. From diagnosing issues to implementing effective solutions, we bring expertise to every job. Comprehensive repairs. No furnace problem is too big or too small for us. Whether it's a strange noise, uneven heating, or a complete breakdown, we have the knowledge and tools to handle it all. Our comprehensive repairs ensure that your furnace runs efficiently for the long haul. Transparent pricing. At KDM Home Gas, we believe in honesty and transparency. Our pricing is straightforward, with no hidden fees or surprises. You'll know exactly what you're paying for, and we'll work with you to find the most cost-effective solutions. Cutting-edge technology. We stay ahead of the curve with the latest in furnace repair technology. Our technicians are equipped with state-of-the-art tools and techniques to diagnose issues accurately and provide efficient repairs. Customer satisfaction guarantee. Your satisfaction is the measure of our success. We stand by the quality of our work, and if you're not satisfied, we'll go the extra mile to make it right. Our commitment to customer satisfaction sets us apart in the industry. Ready to bid farewell to the cold and welcome back warmth into your Oshawa home? Call KDM Home Gas at 905-743-0213 or visit our website to schedule your furnace repair service.